What is a query builder in ORMs? Have you ever wondered how developers create database queries without writing complex code? That's where a query builder comes into play. It's a handy tool that simplifies the process of constructing database queries in a structured way. Instead of writing raw structured query language code, developers can use a query builder to create queries step by step. A query builder provides an interface that allows for method chaining or function calls. This means you can build your SQL queries by adding clauses like select, where join, and order in a straightforward manner. This approach not only makes it easier to create complex queries, but also handles important details like input sanitization and escaping. This is key for improving security and reducing risks such as SQL injection attacks. When we talk about Object-Relational Mappers, or ORMs, a query builder acts as a bridge. It allows developers to generate SQL queries dynamically using the programming language's native syntax. This means you do not have to deal with raw SQL strings, which can be error-prone. Query builders maintain a close relationship with SQL, making it easier for those familiar with SQL to understand and control the generated queries. One of the standout features of query builders is their fluent interfaces. This allows developers to chain methods together, building queries incrementally. They also automatically bind parameters and escape inputs, which enhances security. Additionally, query builders support multiple database systems, making it easier to switch databases without rewriting all your queries. Another benefit is better editor support. Since query builders use native language constructs, you often get syntax highlighting and autocomplete features in your code editor. This can speed up development and reduce mistakes. If you ever encounter a specific query pattern that a query builder does not support, you can still fall back to raw SQL when necessary, giving you flexibility. Compared to ORMs, which abstract database interactions by mapping tables to objects, query builders focus on constructing SQL queries directly. This means they do not enforce an object-oriented data model, allowing for more control over your queries. They serve as a middle ground between raw SQL and full ORMs, simplifying query construction while still offering control. From a backend development perspective, especially when working with APIs, databases, and server-side logic, query builders are incredibly useful. They provide precise control over SQL queries while avoiding the verbosity and potential errors of raw SQL. This leads to cleaner, more readable code and improved security, making database interactions more straightforward for developers. In essence, a query builder in Object-Relational Mappers is a tool that helps you programmatically build SQL queries through a user-friendly interface. It combines the ease of use found in ORMs with the control and familiarity of SQL, making it an essential part of modern database management.